With their hands, hearts, and minds, the Bank of Hawaii Ohana is steering a course for a better future for our community and helping to make sure no one is left behind. Every year, nonprofits in Hawaii and the West Pacific region are supported through sponsorships or grants from the Bank of Hawaii Foundation. The generous support of employees through the Live Kukua volunteer program and a commitment to financial education outreach. Here are 3 examples of Bank of Hawaii's support in 2017. The Hokulea and Hiki'analia harness the power of nature to complete a 3-year voyage circumnavigating the globe. Bank of Hawaii Foundation was proud to support Mālama Honua, caring for our island Earth, with a multi-year $125,000 grant. This special voyage bridged Pacific voyaging traditions with new technology, using modern videos to connect the experiences of crew members with classrooms on every step of the journey, and inspiring people of all ages to learn from cultures around the world. From lifting up an epic journey to helping out those in need. In 2017, Bankoh Blue Crew volunteers were out in the community almost every weekend, donating more than 16,000 hours to 359 community service projects. On Community Service Day, some 300 volunteers offered lots of helping hands for a variety of nonprofits who serve the homeless and veterans, including the Institute of Human Services, Kahawiki Village, Mental Health Kukua, YWCA Fernhurst residents, and U.S. vets, serving brunch to veterans, building, painting, cleaning, landscaping, and providing financial education. On the neighbor islands, they collected and donated clothes, prepared and served meals, and shared their knowledge. That care and support extending to Bankoh's Western Pacific region in Guam, Saipan, and Koror. Shining examples of Bank of Hawaii's Live Kokua program. Through the annual Community Walk and Giving campaign, employees have raised $6.3 million since 2007 for 200 local nonprofits. Then from feeding families to building financial know-how, a commitment to financial education has earned Bank of Hawaii an outstanding CRA rating. Helping students, elementary, middle school, and high school, in classrooms across Hawaii and in the Western Pacific. Employees have spent more than 8,000 hours in 2017 on financial education outreach efforts. And this year, nearly 24 Bank of Hawaii volunteers, partnering with the Nu'uanu YMCA and University of Hawaii students, mentoring students at Central Middle School, nurturing them toward a better educational future. Also donating food and gently used sneakers and new socks for a track meet and a field trip. Some 2.8 million to 400 organizations. It's what Bank of Hawaii, its foundation, and its employees gave in 2017. It is who they are. It is how they are. Creating a better tomorrow for our community. It is an ethos they live by and a passion that will never end.